The Swedish Royal Guard has stood watch over the royal palace in Stockholm since the 1500s. Known for their discipline, they're trained to never break focus, no matter the distraction. But one day a young boy stepped forward and began copying the guard's every move. He stood tall, marched in place, and even pulled the same serious expression. Tourists gathered, smiling at his determination. Then something rare happened. The guard, still professional, made a subtle gesture that showed he was in on the fun. For a soldier whose duty is to remain stone-faced, it was a small but powerful moment. And for that little boy, it wasn't just a funny memory, it was the kind of experience that would have made his whole week. A story to tell for years to come. A reminder that even century-old traditions can have a very human side.
Det är en engelsk kille här som pratar om. Han snurrade bort i hörnet på landsbygden. Och vann väskan. Han är svensk. Killen pratar